We have just placed a new order with Dentalkart, and the product which I have got, I would like to show you all. It's a smell of new product, looks awesome. I have just placed it sideways. Just show it, project it like this. This is Dentalkart obturation device from Woodpecker. This is the instruction manual and the bill, and here is the slip for taking participation in the contest. If we have got any product from the Dentalkart, we can just put a short introductory video, and I am just a participant for the same. Here I would like to show you, this is the stand, and we can charge the product also. Here is the exact pen, the obturation pen, which I was telling about. And here we can connect the battery. The battery has been connected. Now we can raise it back. It's ready to use. You can switch it on. Here are some tips which have been provided. There are 4 tips. So basically you can use either one. I will just open it up. Here we go. This red one is the stopper, and this yellow one is to just protect the soft tissues in case we are using it in the patient's mouth. Patient's mouth or lip should not get burnt. Now we have placed it. We have to just make some adjustments. It needs to be put like this. Now it's perfect. This is the stopper. Now here it's showing like heat ignition indicator. There are 3 modes: 180 degree, 200 degree, 230 degree, and 150 degree. There are timers. Here, once we place it, it will make the heat. There is a beep sound coming up. Now, once we have removed our hands over the switch, the indicator shows back again 0 degrees C. So instant heating and instant, as of the circuit gets disconnected, the heating process stops. It is just to protect the whole device. Overheating can lead to the damage. So thanks a lot. everyone. Thanks to Dentalkart for providing this product online, and the delivery package was very well packed, and I'm happy with the product. And for quite few cases, I use this product, and I would recommend everyone to buy genuine products from the online portal Dentalkart. Thanks everyone.